Konnichiwa, welcome to the Uzumaki Garage. Does a Japanese lady speak to you every time you start your JDM car? Do you want to boost your JDM style? All Japanese sounds are cool, aren't they? Well, stay tuned. Most cars in Japan have an ETC card reader installed to automatically take care of road tolls. They're like the e-tags we use in Australia, but for it to work, you need to have your ETC card inside it. If you live in Japan, you can get an ETC card from your Japanese bank or your credit card company. If you start your engine without your card inserted, you will hear a beep, followed by a Japanese lady's voice reminding you to insert your card. How cool and JDM is that? Today I'm also removing an aftermarket car stereo, CD stacker, and amplifier, which is under the passenger seat. For the past 8 years I had this ETC reader in my JDM daily, but yesterday I removed it, and today I'm going to install it into another JDM car. Because I like the JDM style, so why not? There are a few different types, but this one is very simple. One wire needs power when the ignition is on, and the other one is a negative for earth. It has an internal speaker too, so unlike some other readers, it's more compact, and one less thing for me to hook up. It also has a coax connector for the antenna sensor, but I don't need to install that. If you own a JDM import, you might already have an ETC card reader in your car, but more than likely it was removed before it left Japan. I want to do a professional job, so I won't be hacking into the car's loom to wire it up. I'll be making a Y cable to go between the car's wiring harness and the cigarette lighter socket. Well, that turned out really well, but it wasn't a complete success because some of the buttons aren't working on the OEM car stereo. I'm not sure if I can repair it or if I need to find another one, but at the moment I can only play my old cassette tapes. Like everyone else here, I'm in COVID lockdown too, and while I prefer to be out filming me driving around the streets, that'll have to wait till future episodes. But it's also given me a chance to catch up on some jobs that are long overdue. I hope you had a laugh or found something interesting in this video and enjoyed the tedious detail I've shared with you. Smash that like button, and if you want to see more stuff, click subscribe and notify. I'm also working on early access content for my Patreon supporters. You too can become a supporter at the low cost of $1 a month. Thanks for watching.